So, this is the prediction we did yesterday on our GBPUSD. We clearly said that GBPUSD will give us a bullish move. One of the reasons why we were anticipating for a bullish move on GBPUSD was that market is at this level, which is our support level. We all know we highlighted this level. So if you don't watch it, you can go back to go and watch it to confirm, right? If you have not yet watched it. Now, if you are watching it, you can see that our prediction on GBPUSD was absolutely right. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button so that in our next update, you will not miss out on it. Now, why do we have this bullish move and why do we predict that GBPUSD will give us the bullish move and it gave us? Now, let's start with our trend. What can you see on your trend on GBPUSD? This is it here. You can clearly see that this is an uptrend move. GBPUSD is giving us a series of higher and higher low, right? So market was trending upward, right? Then it's eventually corrected and started trending downward. Markets then eventually rejected from this zone multiple times. So this will now be highlighted as our key level. We would now see it as a very key level, right? A very key, crucial level that markets should reject from. And this is one of the reasons why we said from this level where we were yesterday, said that GBPUSD, this was the level we were about yesterday. Right? We said that GBPUSD will definitely going to push to give us a bullish move, and it did exactly what we predicted to give us bullish move. Now, if you take a look at your 1 hour time frame, this is a massive high, right? So your next movement on your GBP should be a pullback. So remember, a pullback first is what you should be expecting. After the pullback, then you can now go ahead and take your buy that will eventually push up to form a new higher high. So above all, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on GBP.